video. I'm super excited. We're doing something real different. I am here with my sister again. Sorry, I just stepped on your toe, Shayna.
Whatever.
Shayna Bobena. If you saw her in my oils video that we did recently, then you saw her. This is her. And she recently went to Buffalo Exchange and got some of the cutest stuff. So I told her that I wanted her to take me back to go shopping. So we're gonna go try to find a couple things in here. Yep. I'm really excited, so let's do it. Weird that I actually saw multiple things in the boys section.
No, not weird. I strangely also really like that hot pink shirt right there.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
That is pretty cute, huh?
It's interesting.
It's from Nikkiphillippi.
Look at the back. It's so cute.
Oh,
I don't know why I'm like.
I see you in the shade.
And the neck.
The collar?
Yeah, the collar. Thank you. I can't use words today.
I see you in it, Shayna. All right, so we have been finding a lot of things. It's actually really cool because we can hear other people talking about all the good deals that they're finding in the distance. So that's exciting. She's found quite a few good things as well.
Yeah.
But my arms are getting tired. Oh, cute.
That's really cute.
I want to try that on.
Try it on.
I think we're going to try to go get our dressing room now. Have them hold it for us.
Yes.
That's so cute. So cute, but I can't decide because I feel like a little bit of a poser, but it fits so well. It's so soft. Okay, this is so cute. Are you in your second one, Shayna?
Yeah, I'm a little bit afraid of it though.
Are you gonna show me? Do you just not want my vlog to see?
Yeah.
I shouldn't show the vlog? Hey, it's not bad. It's pretty cute.
Yeah. It's just a little bit frumpy.
Hey. Okay, so we got this top right here, which, I mean, I think it's pretty cute. It's a little odd, but we can't quite tell how old this top is. Kind of cool because it's got the like Sears Robex or whatever it's called tag from like the 50s, 60s. I don't know, but I kind of like that. I'm pretty sure it's vintage, which is pretty cool. So, yeah. Okay, I flipping love this sweater. I didn't even let you touch it, Shayna. It's so soft. And I love the bell sleeves. I just think this is so cute.
I'll come touch it.
Come touch it, Shayna. Quick, I'm waiting outside your dressing room with the camera on you. Quick. Yeah. Okay. That's super cute.
It has funny pockets at the bottom.
Wait, touch my sweater. So cute, huh? You look so cute with your Avarkas with those, or with that dress.
Yeah, but is it too short in the back? Yeah, it's a little short.
You know, when you wear shorts though, everything is less short. I like this shirt because it says exactly what I am, a serious business woman.
Basically the cutest.
So, get it next, okay? This is from a store in New York that I've heard people talk about a lot called And Other Stories. I will say this fabric is insanely thick and well made. I am almost being choked by this turtleneck, but I also kind of like that because I know it will stay a turtleneck. It's not gonna like fall down. It's very...
trips to Chicago this winter, it'll actually keep it.
I'm such a globetrotter. I probably will.
In Tennessee.
Yeah, or Tennessee where it snows.
Cold here.
I wanted to tell you guys that I'm bummed because the color of this jacket I think is like an amazing color, but I feel like I'm in just like a bad blanket kind of, so we're gonna not do this. So I feel like this video is a little bit all over the place, but once I got home I wanted to show you what I got in like better lighting. So I got this t-shirt. This was actually from the men's section, but I loved it. I did end up getting the wallflower shirt, which I actually might end up giving to Shayna because I think it's so cute, but I definitely wouldn't consider myself a wallflower. I just got it because I thought it was cute. Then I got this t-shirt and I liked it not only because of the color, but because it felt long enough to wear with leggings. So yeah, and then I got this sweater because as you could tell, I loved it. I think it's perfect for fall, super cozy. I also got this t-shirt because we already know this is who I is, people. And this sweater, oh my gosh, this might be one of my favorite pieces I got. I thought it was so cool and unique and warm, and I just loved it. I also got this turtleneck because this was in incredible shape and I thought it fit me really perfectly and was super cute for the upcoming cold weather. And I love the bell sleeves, so cute. I also got this Nike sweatsuit, super random, but it was in great shape and I thought it would be great for this winter, so I got it. So yeah, guys, that's it. I know this video was kind of random, but I hope that you enjoyed it because I had a lot of fun at Buffalo Exchange. And let me know if in the future, next time I go thrifting, if you want to see another one of these videos. And I'll see you guys back here soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.